Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize the font style of texts inside your app projects on Base44. So let us guide you through this. Start by navigating to your app project inside your workspace on Base44 and click into the preview mode, and then switch to the page view here, and here from the drop down menu select the page you would like to edit. So let us stay on the home screen of that app, right? So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to switch to the canvas mode. You don't need to do this, it's optional, but I'm going to do this. And here in the canvas mode, click into edit, and that is going to give you the opportunity to add changes and edits to each element here, right? So let's say, for example, you have that heading here of that app inside that page. What you want to do is left click into it, and it is going to give you access to some of these text formatting options. You can also click into edit element here and then give the artificial intelligence a custom prompt or a command to change the appearance of that given element. But you can also go through these text formatting settings here yourself. For example, select a different font. I'll go with this one, and so on and so forth, and wait for the change to be finished. You may also upload your own font. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.